Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and I wanted to show you our Gumball Machine. So what I'm going to do, we have this key. I'm going to open up the top. It's the same key that opens up the bottom, which is pretty cool. It's very easy to open. It used to be very easy to open. Maybe I have the wrong key. Nope. I lied. All right, so this is our Gumball Machine. Take a look at all the quarters. And then the same key. We have the top part. And this is our 5-pound bag of Skittles. Close this. And then we got to get the little piece to secure it. This goes in there, and then you just get the key. Just like that. You don't have to put it too tight, and that's it. Thanks. Oh wow, look at this really dark quarter. Where did they get that? Where did they get that? Come on, put that in my pocket, huh? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. Let me get that over there. Okay. So we got $20 in quarters. Till next time. Bye. Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and we're going to do the Gumball Machine spreadsheet update. All right, so unfortunately, our gumballs were not received on the 8th. They were missing. So we had a missing gumball package. So today is 11/16. So what happened, I had to contact Donors Choose where we got it. And then what happened is they sent us a replacement. I didn't get the same exact gumball, but we had something similar. It was double bubble. We did get 2 5-pound bags, each at like $27. So we got, let me write this down. So we have 11/16 received 2 bags, a total of $54. I'm just doing a lot of mistakes. What's going on? All right. I said $52. Received 2 bags, $52. We didn't have to pay for anything. So I'm just going to put not paid and then just keep the original price from before. I'm not even going to touch the gumballs. It's pretty much $52.47, pretty much the same. And then we have from the week of 11/6, we had $15.75. And then this week I just counted about $21. Perfect. And it's Thursday, so we didn't even get to finish the week. Now that we have, it's like in the middle of the day, we'll have half of today and then tomorrow with the new gumballs in there. Again, I'm not spending any more money with gumballs. I just filled up the machine because it looks prettier filled. So we have the left side, which is full of Skittles. So I put another 1 bag of Skittles. We filled it up, and then we have filled it up. It was to the top of the 1 bag, 5-pound bag. We'll reach it up to pretty much the top. So we have the center full of gumballs, and then the right side is pretty much empty. And that's the large dispense with the Skittles. So the other, it was like half, probably halfway. So 2 bags filled up the left side. And that's pretty much it. So far, let's see the numbers. Let's make sure these numbers don't look, oh, what did I just do? Nope. This was $15.75. It's like, wait a second. Those profit numbers don't look right. That looks right. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we'll see how we do next week. And that's pretty much it. Notes for November. I've been keeping my door locked, so you're going to see a decrease in sales only because it's been a little bit out of control. Students are banging on my door. I want some candy. I want some gumballs. So I've been locking my door on every off period, so no student can come in here and use the machine. And so it's been a little bit, and the security in the hallway. So I've just been kind of low key this week. So this week, that's probably why you see the drop in numbers. The $15, the $21. I've been kicking a lot of students out only because they've been fighting over that gamer chair. So I took away the gamer chair, put it in my office. I'm actually sitting on it right now, enjoying it. And then the PBIS store is actually closed. I removed those things. And then it's been just kind of a quiet week. So this week will be quiet. Next week will be quiet. And then we'll probably start back up with this PBIS store again, and we'll see how it goes. And that's pretty much it. I can't think of anything else. I don't know how to change the gumball setting. I don't think you can. So the gumballs that came, I think they're like 1 inch in size. So we'll see. I didn't even take a look. I'm going to try it to see if it dispenses like 1 or 2. I'm curious. Let me go do it right now, actually. I'll be right back. Okay, so it gives you one per gumball. Good to know. And I don't know how many. I wish I knew. The other order we got, it was like 850. So between these two bags, I don't know exactly how many gumballs. I gotta go take a look at the paperwork. I don't see anything. It just says 1-inch gumballs, assorted flavors, 5-pound bag. I don't see the quantity. It would be helpful if we had exactly. So I'm guessing it's probably between the two 5-pound bags, just like before, maybe a total of 850 gumballs. So, and that's it. So I hope you are enjoying this. I will update the spreadsheet, post it up. Once again, it's thecomputerclassroom.com. The code is Nike, and all the files, everything we do, resume templates, there's business plan, there's Excel spreadsheets, a lot of content for you guys to access and download. All right. Till next time. Thanks. Bye. Update. We just got the gumballs, so I just wanted to show you real quick. Those are the gumballs. All right. Now, till next time. Bye.